Technically he did. But we haven't got to give Ray 9.5 in though, but yeah.
What? Dead.
Motorauction.com. The natural stone and timber have an amazing choice of sandstone slabs for our patio, beautiful tiles and wood for the outside and inside the house. So we build a lot and save a packet. Natural stone and timber, amazing choice, amazing prices. Indian sandstone paving from
Inline solar PVs, jeez. He was red.
What the f was that?
Just the car decided to go over the red light.
Yeah, I know, but he's not even about going red light, he overtook.
Off. Sake.
We have a team of 15 people who do that, and they are getting better and better each day. So they come to the restaurant and we create that atmosphere and that environment where people can feel comfortable and at ease and can date. And the thing about the program of Thursday, of course, it's about love and it's about people finding that romantic link with each other, but really and truly it's about people. It's fascinating to watch because it really is about all of us, and that's what people like.
In search of the Holy Grail is 25-year-old businessman Charlie.
How are you? Hi, good. How are you? That's very good, thank you. You look so young. Thank you. I wish I could look as young as you still. No, but not quite this young.
Right now, this thing is filmed at the Paternoster Chop House in London. And at the end of the date, the couples are asked if they would like to see each other again. So it's kind of a blind datey type thing. But how did you get to do this extra bit of work, you know, this kind of advice and interviewing them and throwing them together?
I was working with one of the director of the service about 6 years ago, and it's just sort of, you know, to be the perfect guy for the job. And I was not really keen, you know, to do it in the first place because I didn't know the team. But when I got to meet the producers, you know, and the directors there, I realized that their intention was so pure and so true, and I had no option but to say yes.
But also they're making an entertaining television program.
Yeah, I mean, look, people sometimes say, Fred, we love your show, but you know, it's really a collective success and achievement, and this is what I'm the most proud of. When we shoot, we had about 300 people at the shoot, you know.
we've got all that on camera here.
Listen, mate. You fucking on the gummy, straight in front of me.
Doing? Two lanes, get the right lane. You idiot. Learn to drive. Just get in the right lane on that roundabout, it's very dangerous there.
Listen, you can tell me what you want, they did the same thing.
Well, that doesn't make it right, does it?
No, but you can't shout at me for getting it
You
wrong.
nearly drove into me because of it, so just be careful on the roundabout is all I'm saying.
No, don't
Yeah.
talk to me like that.
Shut up.
On camera.
You're right, dude.
Give me your details. You need something? Yeah.
So we'll see if we can overtake if it's safe. So if we drop down your gears. Oh jeez, that fan almost hit us. Alright, we are not in a good spot here. Oh, please don't tell me they're going to stop there. Alright, so if you have your steering all the way to the right. Oh, please don't tell me they stop for that reason. Somebody in that lane be nice to us. Alright, BSM car's letting us go, so just keep an eye on that blue one. And that's Phil, I think, behind us. Oh, man, that was scary. I know, it's Ed.